Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Tinubu tallakan ƙasa ke ra'ayi. Tinubu ya wadata baya kwaɗayi. Duk mai san ƙasar mu kai zai ra'ayi. Makiyin 'yan ƙasar mu su karkayayi. Mu gaishe da Tinubu. Na ce mu tafa wa Tinubu. Sannan mu gode wa Tinubu. Autan mawallafan ABC Jamilu na gaida Tinubu.
Hey guys, I've got a propos for you. Yes, it's a propos. Have you guys heard about the latest deal? You know, I told you election is in the air, and this time around you'll be hearing different kind of musician. Yes, coming out to compose song. Yes, do you know that as we have the likes of Kwamwan Pasuma composing song for Jagaban. Yes, of Yoruba land, that's Aṣíwájú Tinubu. Do you know that we now have the Hausa version? I don't know how they compose this song. I don't know the lyrics, but I shall know the chorus. You shall be hearing You need to listen to the song. Please listen to this song.